to be cute, y'all. What the? Wagwan, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it feels so good saying that in 2019. Like, wow, first video 2019 in the books. Sorry I've been gone for so long, but we're back now and that's all that matters. So what we have on the agenda for today is a smoky eye. If you couldn't already tell by the title, I'm just gonna teach you how to do a regular, schmegular smoky eye. I was not going for it to be this cool tone. Like, I wanted it to be more brown and like warm, but sometimes, you know, the color in the palette that I'm going to use, you'll see soon, just doesn't pull the way I want to on my eyes or my complexion. It always pulls a different color. I don't know what's going on, but if you see me looking this way, it's because like my mirror's right there, and yeah. But anyway, if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. But before you do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button. Even if you don't like it, just like it anyway. Because you here now, you might as well like it. So subscribe, like, and let's get started. All right, so now that we got the smoky eye going on, we're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. can't stop myself from making that face. I'm sorry, it's not gonna change, okay? Like, everything blends better when your mouth is open, obviously. You agree too, right? You agree too. Yeah. Liddy said, y'all need to stop playing with me because, yeah, stop playing with me because, are you done? Oh my God. She said stop playing with me because I know what I'm talking about. So this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have one for myself and I have one in my client kit because, you know, this mascara gets a lot of hate, but it doesn't deserve it. I mean, like, sometimes it does. I will say that, but you know, if you just work with it, it can be very good. Like, this one's a little dry because it's mine and I've had it for so long. I'm telling y'all, the ugly faces, that's what be making your face beat. Like, if you don't do it, you're not gonna come out beat. Like, I don't make the rules, you know? It's just a fact. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just telling y'all. All right, so to put the second coat on my bottom lashes, I'm just gonna use this one. This is bomb too. Cause you see how little the spoolie is? Get bright in the bottom lashes. I only use it as a topper because I just used it from the gel. It would literally take forever for this to build up to the volume that I wanted to if I started with this from jump. Now that we're done, it's time for lashes. These are the lashes I'm wearing. All right, so while my glue is drying, like, what's up with y'all? Like, I don't know, I'm saying what's up with y'all like I'm the one that hasn't been gone forever. Anyway, okay, let's see. What's up with me? Okay, same old, same old. Med school it's med school. 2018 was a rough year for me, I'm not gonna lie. I was still getting used to the med school curriculum. I think I have a better handle on it now. Wow, I need a new filming chair because this one, it's like so creaky. Anyway, and my cats are eating food right now, so that's a little crunch in your ear. Yeah, 2018 was difficult. I wasn't as disciplined as I planned to be this year, but you know, we're making strides. 2019 is gonna be something completely different, and I'm really excited. You know, we're here with a new setup, lights, a cute little background, which is really just my wall. So I'm really excited to see what 2019 is gonna hold for me and my channel. So thank you guys for staying around, for supporting me and watching this video. I hope you watch the next one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We gonna get these lashes popping. Enough of the sentimental stuff, you know. You gotta be cute. Look how bright that is with no kind of prep. So this is the completed look. I hope you liked that little tutorial. It should be really short. Like, I'm gonna edit it real short. So it should be really short. I hope it didn't take up too much of your time, and I hope that it was good enough for you to come back for another video. There should be one either every week or every other week, but I'm gonna be consistent, and I promise y'all that. That is my 2019 goal, my 2019 resolution. I'm being serious this year. Yeah, come back for more if you liked what you saw. Peace out, y'all. I gotta go. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't already, the first time I told you to, here's a reminder, like and subscribe. And if that's it. I will see y'all in the next video. Alright, so I need to go to school. Bye.